Welcome back. You're watching Young Turks on CNBC TV 18. It's time now to head across to Delano D'Souza in Mumbai. He's standing by with his young achiever. Delano, over to you.
Hi Shireen, on the show from Mumbai this week we meet Ashish Chanana of Media Factory, who has with him India's answer to Shrek. Ashish Chanana was not always an animator at heart. Contrary to his current designation, his early days were spent creating India's first electric car, which earned him a degree doing automobile engineering at Columbia University. But Ashish decided to turn the steering wheel towards his newfound passion, animation.
What I realized after I was doing automobile engineering, that I was always inclined towards the technical side of creating something. So I guess that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm getting more and more technical now that I'm into animation and all kinds of CG work. So I guess it's synergizing in some or the other way.
So did this fascination for films develop while you were in the US or?
No, not really. I was actually doing direction when even I was in school. I used to be at modern school in Delhi.
Yeah.
And then I made a car which was as such the first electric car in India, and got awarded a gold medal and stuff like that, based on which I went for my scholarship.
Yeah.
I guess when I look back now, I didn't really value it, because whatever comes to you with so less an effort, you don't really value it. So I went there and I think I had a good time, came to Bombay for a holiday, and I've been holidaying ever since.
But it's interesting that you came to Bombay and you never really made an attempt to get into Bollywood.
When you have to get into Bollywood, then I guess something takes you there. And I was here for a month on a holiday, as I said, and I met people. One after the other, the chain kept increasing and I kept getting offers, and did a couple of films. Realized that I was more inclined towards and more happier being behind the camera. Not that I don't enjoy being in front of the camera, but I like the technical aspect of being able to create something, and that's why I'm enjoying what I'm doing today.
But you always liked offbeat things, right? Not really mainstream. Would you say that?
The funny part is if I go back into my own self, I think I'm pretty much very Indian, very orthodox, but I've always done stuff which is completely
off the beaten track.
Yeah. It's like I would always want to probably get married in a very traditional way, but when it actually happened, I ran off and got married, eloped. So it's not that I'm planning, I'm actually planning to go the right path, but something just takes me in a different tangent all the time.
Ashish started his company Media Factory doing animation with a small team of 3. He has now scaled up to 30 and is looking to double this figure. Ashish and his team are currently working on Magic, which is India's first film using 3-dimensional technology. So was Ashish taken seriously when making a career shift from conventional cinema to one in animation?
When I spoke to people, none of them were serious. They would say that, okay, it must be a small cartoon film.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, so that was the general impression, कि हाँ कोई cartoon film बना रहे हो, My mom and, people around would say, हाँ अच्छा है, cartoon film बनाना चाहिए, But they didn't know what I actually meant, and I didn't take too much effort at that time to explain to them.
But what's different about, say, a Magic compared to different animation films that have been churned out of India? Hanuman was recently...
Hanuman, I think, should get the due credit.
Yeah.
It definitely is one of the most important milestones that has been set in this country.
Yeah.
Despite of the fact that the technology today, it's called 2D cell animation, which is not a today technology.
Yeah.
But it definitely made a very strong mark.
Yeah.
People started taking animation more seriously. The fact that an animation film can come back with revenues like Hanuman, both for theatres, DVDs, shelf value, that kind of reinstated what I always said, that yes, there is a market for animation films. Plus the fact that though we all tend to ignore it. How many people are making films for children? That's a target audience you just cannot ignore.
But you have a different view when thinking of Magic and the way you plan on marketing it. So what is different about Magic? What are you doing different than what other people would have done?
We are targeting to set the next milestone
Yeah.
after Hanuman.
So all your characters and everything is in place.
Yeah.
So are they Indian characters or what are
No,
we?
see, when we started working on the film, we
Yeah.
decided that we want a certain target audience that we're looking at.
Yeah.
And that target audience was global,
Yeah.
kids worldwide.
Okay.
So the characters in our film are as much Chinese, as much Thai, as much
As how they would be
Russian,
South American. Okay.
South American, or even South Indian. You know, so that's how we started. That was my brief to the writer, that I definitely want the film to completely be universal.
And the storyline accordingly would
Everything,
be.
every character, every characterization, every small gimmick, every small thing. Of course, we do have Indian thought process
Yeah.
there, but we've been, discussing with writers, soft programmers, animators at Pixar, at DreamWorks, at PDI.
In India, say a project like this, as I said, $5 million versus say 20, 30 million upwards in the US. Now with India's technology, obviously we're becoming a low cost, high quality hub destination for animation. Would you see yourself doing projects for big
We have
houses
already
in-
started working for Hollywood and UK productions.
Okay. With animation or with
With
just
animation, with live action, with special effects.
So while Ashish welcomes the various projects coming his way, his attention is currently focused on Magic, which he has invested heavily in. Magic is scheduled to hit global screens in 2008.
Thanks, Delano. Time for us to take another quick commercial break. But when we return, another young achiever. So stay right there.